Hello again. Follow me to know this little piece of paradise. This farm, located in the Quintas da Torre, Fundão, Portugal, with 5,200 square meters, there are about 100 olive trees of the Galician, Cordel and Pical type, and already produce, when treated, about 700 liters of olive oil per year. It has a source of water to require cleaning, and electricity is close to the property. It is partially fenced, and access is on a dirt road and accessible to any vehicle. Situated in the valley between the Serra da Gardunha and the Serra da Malcata, there are fantastic views. Here, you can live in your motorhome, build a small house or yurt, and have all the tranquility you are looking for. Contact me and schedule your visit. See you soon!